As the years pass, many seniors begin to notice the changes in their body. The joints ache, the heart beats slower, and medicines become a daily companion. Doctors prescribe pills, schedules fill with appointments, and health becomes the constant concern. Yet, despite all of this, despite the best efforts of medicine, many still feel an emptiness. A question arises: why does faith bring a kind of healing that no medicine can match, especially after 60? The Bible reminds us in Proverbs 17:22, "A cheerful heart is good medicine, but a crushed spirit dries up the bones." This verse reveals a truth science is only beginning to understand. The soul's condition directly affects the body's strength. Section 1. The limits of medicine. Medicine is a blessing. It saves lives, relieves pain, and provides years that otherwise might not have been given. But medicine treats symptoms. It works on the body's surface. It cannot heal loneliness. It cannot cure fear. It cannot lift the burden of guilt or replace the warmth of love. Pills can lower blood pressure, but they cannot restore peace to a restless soul. Surgeries can repair bones, but they cannot heal a broken heart. After 60, many seniors realize that their deepest needs go beyond prescriptions. What they long for is not only more days, but better days. Days filled with meaning, peace, and connection. And that is where faith enters. Section 2. The power of faith in healing. Faith does what medicine cannot. Faith strengthens the heart when fear takes hold. Faith reminds us that we are never alone, even in sickness. Faith heals by giving hope when the body feels weak. Science has even proven this. Studies show that seniors who practice faith through prayer, worship, or simply trusting in God recover faster from illness, cope better with pain, and live longer, happier lives. But beyond the studies, there is a greater truth. When you place your trust in God, healing begins not just in the body, but in the soul. Jesus said in Matthew 11:28, "Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest." Rest is more than sleep. It is a healing of the mind, heart, and spirit. And from that rest comes renewed strength for the body. Section 3. Healing after 60 faith as medicine for the soul. After 60, many seniors carry heavy burdens, memories of mistakes, regrets of the past, loneliness from lost loved ones, or fear of the future. No doctor can prescribe a cure for those wounds. But Jesus can. Faith in Him brings forgiveness for regrets, comfort in loneliness, and courage in the face of uncertainty. When faith takes root, the soul begins to heal. And when the soul is healed, the body follows. Peace lowers stress, joy strengthens the heart, and hope brings energy. It is not magic, it is God's design. Think of it this way: medicine adds years to your life, but faith adds life to your years. Medicine can keep you alive, but faith makes life worth living. Section 4. Real healing comes from God. In John 14:27, Jesus says, "Peace I leave with you. My peace I give you. I do not give to you as the world gives. Do not let your hearts be troubled, and do not be afraid." This peace is the medicine no pharmacy carries. It is the healing that enters when you surrender to God, when you trust Him with your body, mind, and soul. After 60, when health challenges feel heavier, that peace becomes more valuable than any pill. Faith does not mean ignoring medicine. It means combining both. Take the pill, but pray too. See the doctor, but trust the great physician. Use medicine for the body, but let faith heal the soul. Closing section. A final word to seniors. If you are a senior today, feeling the weight of age, hear this. Your faith is the greatest medicine you have. When you pray, you strengthen your spirit. When you trust, you calm your heart. When you believe, you heal in ways no doctor can measure. So yes, take care of your health. Take the treatments your doctor prescribes, but never forget, faith will take you where medicine cannot. It will give you peace, joy, and healing that lasts forever. Because after all, healing is not just about living longer, it's about living closer to God